Purchased a wireless backup camera for my LTV this last week from Amazon. I'll give you a quick look at how I installed it. Seemed to work pretty well. For the time being, all I did was tie strapped it to the rear view mirror. You can see how that works. The antenna's face down. Seems to fit pretty well. Like I said, for the time being, I'm just going to use my 12-volt plug, my cigarette lighter for right now, but I'll try to wire that into the Sprinter electrical chassis. LTV doesn't give us a big placement for this thing, so this camera happened to have quite the tilt on the camera. So what I did is drilled the 4 holes, or the 5 holes I should say, 4 for mounting and 1 for the wires, and I snaked it through the harness, or the cowling, out to the signal light here. And all I'm going to do is power off of that power and ground. Orange on LTV is the power, white is the ground, and I will do red to black. I'll solder those in. I will tuck that back in and place my camera on here. And I've actually tested the images already, but I'll show them to you. But it actually looks really good. Here's the final installation. The camera is mounted up on the top. It's sealed up. I'm taking the power off of this light. And again, I just drilled a hole through the cowling here and came up from the bottom. It's all sealed up. Resealed the back light here. I will have to run the running lights to power this, so we will have to have their headlights on all the time, which is kind of normal in the United States anyway. But looks pretty good from the bottom. Looks like that. But I'm going to use this for a rear view mirror. Obviously the original camera on the bottom there is for the Sprint itself when you go in reverse, but I wanted something for rear view. I call it trailer and side by side, so I wanted to be able to keep an eye on it while it was traveling. Here's the image off of it. Looks pretty good. I don't have my trailer pulled all the way forward, but it'll get most of it and give me a good image of while I'm traveling. I can see what's going on behind me. But again, I just mounted it to my rear view mirror. Some tie straps. Seems to hold pretty well. For now, I'm just powering it off my 12-volt plug, but I'll try to power that up off this center console area in the future. But it does what I need it to do. Thanks.